How to file a claim before a resolution professional in a corporate insolvency resolution process CIRP in India. So दोस्तों आज की वीडियो में हम ये डिस्कस करने वाले हैं और आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू स्टेप्स हम कैसे कैसे क्लेम फाइल कर सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज ऑब्टेन द नेसेसरी डॉक्यूमेंट्स. गैदर ऑल द रिलेवेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स टू सपोर्ट योर क्लेम such as invoices, agreements, contracts, proof of delivery and any other evidence that establishes your claim against the corporate debtor. Second one is to verify your eligibility. Ensure that you are eligible to file a claim as per the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016 जिसे IBC कहा जाता है. Financial creditors, operational creditors and other stakeholders can file claims. Check whether you fall under any of these categories. Third one, prepare the claim. Prepare the claim in the prescribed format as specified by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, IBBI जिसे कहते हैं. The claim form typically includes details such as the name of the creditor, address, contact information, amount of claim, nature of claim, supporting documents and other relevant information. Fourth one, calculate the claim amount. Determine the exact amount you are claiming, including any interest and penalties. If applicable, ensure that you accurately calculate the claim amount, as any errors may affect your entitlement during the resolution process. Fifth one, submit the claim. Submit the claim form along with supporting documents to the resolution professional appointed for the CIRP. The RP's contact information can usually be found on the website of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, जिसे IBBI कहते हैं. वहाँ की वेबसाइट से आप देख सकते हैं, और थ्रू द पब्लिक अनाउंसमेंट जो की जाती है रिलेटेड टू द CIRP, जो वो अनाउंस करते हैं कि ये. सिक्स्थ वन, एक्नॉलेजमेंट ऑफ द क्लेम. After receiving your claim, the RP will acknowledge the receipt within a specified period, which is usually within 7 days. The acknowledgement will include a unique claim reference number for future correspondence. Seventh one, verification process. The RP will verify the claim submitted by you and may seek additional information or clarification if required. They may also examine other claims submitted by other creditors during the process. Eighth one, creditors committee meeting. If your claim is accepted and admitted by the RP, it will be included in the list of claims to be discussed during the meeting of the committee of creditors. The COC comprising of major financial creditors, which will take decision regarding the resolution process, including the approval of resolution plan. Ninth one, attend COC meeting. As a creditor, you may have the right to attend COC meetings or appoint representative to participate on your behalf. Stay updated with the proceedings and actively participate in the decision-making process. 10th one, distribution of funds. If a resolution plan is approved and implemented and funds are available for distribution, the RP will distribute the fund to the creditor based on the priority and the agreed upon terms mentioned in the resolution plan. So it is important to note that the above steps are a general guide, and the specific process may vary depending on the particular CIRP and the instruction provided by the resolution professional. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a good legal professional who has good knowledge of it, or seek guidance from the relevant authorities for accurate and up-to-date information on filing a claim in a CRPC. तो दोस्तों ये थी आज की वीडियोस. आपको मैं समझता हूँ कि आपको इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी होगी. जो नए हैं इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और बताएं मेरी वीडियोस कैसी लगती है आपको. कोई भी लीगल गाइडेंस, कोई भी लीगल एडवाइस, लीगल ओपिनियन की आपको नीड हो, आप मेरे कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन जो कि है मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, आप कभी भी कॉल कर सकते हैं और इन्फॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. तो दोस्तों जाते जाते इस वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करते जाएं. नमस्कार.